Hello everybody. I got something fun for you guys today. It's a Dodge Caravan from 1989 with the factory turbocharger. It's a 2.5 liter turbo engine with a 3-speed automatic transmission. So this van's been sitting for several years. And we finally were able to get our paws on it to see if we could get it going again, which it actually just needed a couple fuel lines and it started right up and runs great. We replaced the engine oil and filter, had to replace the radiator and the radiator fan, so it has new coolant in it as well. It started leaking, and it runs and drives excellent. Here is the vacuum diagram for it. 2.5 liter turbo. Oh yeah. It's a good running engine, smooth. Plenty of power for what it is, a big box. As you can see, the sun and Midwest haven't been the nicest to the body. All the upper top surfaces, because it's this light blue color, they just flake and rust right off. Paint is flaky. It's got several spots, especially along the rockers where it's rusty. Just go around and show you around the rear wheel wells. The doors themselves and the gate are in pretty decent nick. Has a trailer hitch that I would never use because it's ancient. See the wheel well here. Bodywork if you want it to be nice. It's the SE model, so it's not the base. It's got the cloth on the door panels and the carpet. Power door locks, manual windows, and manual mirrors. Here's the front passenger seat. It's in pretty decent shape for one of these. It's not ripped anywhere. The fabric's a bit worn out from being used for years and years. Here's the glove compartment under the seat. It's an old Alpine radio that still actually works. I haven't tried a CD in it, but the radio part works. The climate control is there. The AC has been removed. No AC on this unit. You could always fix it if you want, but the compressor was bad, so that was the end of that. The headliner fabric's been removed because it was falling down, which is typical on something this old at this point. It's got 183,063 on the odometer. A little bit higher mileage, but it is a van. Well, higher mileage for, just in numbers. This thing is old. The sun visors are up here. They're in decent shape. This one's got a mirror. This one also has a mirror. Ooh, luxury. Here's your sliding door. It actually operates really easy. I can use one finger to push it open. The tracks have been cleaned and re-greased. All three of them. The lower one, the center one, and the upper one. So you're seeing this here. This is a 5-passenger model. So it has the big bench in the middle with armrests that don't move. And there you go. There's plenty of room for 5 people in this with a ton of cargo room behind it. So it's pretty comfortable too. The rear seat's in decent shape. It's got a few imperfections and stuff. I mean, like I said, it is old. And there's the cargo area back there. So no seat mount ports in the back, just a middle seat only. The rear wiper still works, and that is the trim piece sitting there for the tailgate. It fell off and it needs to be reattached. Usually at this point it's best to drill holes through it and screw it on so it doesn't fall off again. van, you hear the radiator fans going. This van is a good candidate as a project. It can go a lot of different ways. Drive it as is a work van. Clean it up and make it really nice, because there's not a lot of these left. Or gut it out and turn it into a race van. Lots of options. The driver's seat here is in pretty good shape, besides this here, which, I mean, it is old. Some cracking on the side from getting in and out. This vinyl stuff does that. The gas door release still works. It even has the what people call the crotch vent. That works too. Rear defrost, rear wiper, and this is your hatch release, which still works. All that stuff works as far as I'm aware. See the rear wiper and the washer. Look at that. Excellent. There you go. It does have cruise control. The cruise control is functional. Tilt steering, like I mentioned before. 183.063.1 on the clock. There's your gate open light. The little selector gizmo here doesn't work. That's super common. Go around the back here, you can see the hatch struts are tired. They do not hold the gate up anymore. Fortunately, those are cheap. Lots of cargo room. There's the wiring for the trailer hitch. That's where you refill the rear washer fluid. And it does have a hitch on it. I don't know if you should trust that to pull anything, but that's up to you. The transmission in this thing shifts excellent. It's really nice. Pentastar is still there, and this is the SE model. The rear bumper has a little bit of damage, but nothing too bad for its age. Tires are okay, a bit older. Brakes are okay. Suspension is okay. It's been sitting for a few years, so I would recommend going through all of these things if you want to drive this every day, for sure. So yeah. Oh yeah, it has the roof rack, in case I forgot to mention it. It even has power door locks, which the front ones work pretty well, and the rear one works sometimes. Right now I saw it move. There you go. So it wants to behave this time. Sometimes it doesn't go. It is old. At any rate, this van is going to be listed no reserve, so bid it to win it. I really wanted to do something fun with this thing, but other priorities are going on in life right now. It has a clean Illinois title, and it is ready to be yours. So good luck, and thanks for watching. Take care, guys.